Hey guys, welcome to the Howdy channel. Have you ever found yourself trying to watch a video or listen to the music on Google Chrome only to realize there's no sound? Don't worry, I'm here to help you. For this, what you have to do is first open the Google Chrome browser on your computer. Now click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. From the drop down, click on Settings. Now in the Settings window, click on Privacy and Security tab, which you will find on the left sidebar. Under Privacy and Security, scroll down and at the bottom you will find this option of Site Settings. Click on it. Now again scroll down and in the Content section you will find this option of Additional Content Settings. Click on it. And in the drop down you will see this first option of Sound. Tap on it. Now in the Sound section you will find this default behavior. So make sure that the Sites Can Play Sound option is selected. If it's already selected, then in Customized Behavior, under Note Allow to Play Sound, and look for your site if it's there. If the site is there, then click on the three dots next to it and then remove it. And this will hopefully fix the issue. By following these steps, you will be able to fix no sound in Google Chrome. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and please do not forget to subscribe the Howdy channel.